Naija people don bring ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some tori wey be say e just happen. As plenty Nigerians don come bus enter inside street to go do an ugly protest to end bad government. Make a sharply take yarn on as they take do the protest for inside Obodo, Nigeria. For inside Lagos State, plenty protesters don come out to come join the end bad government nationwide protest as they come gather for Ikeja underbridge. Come from there, come waka go Ganifayemi Park wey dey for inside Ojota, and na there na all of them come dey dance, come dey sing music. But later, for on top this video wey dey see this woman wey be say e carry empty pot for head, dey come dey shout "Onga," wey mean for Yoruba language ebi. And for inside Lekki toll gate, some protesters wey be say dey come out to come gather themselves to do the inaugural protest. Na so Milan talks dem don come out to come attack them. We make it call up police, come dey fire tear gas as the protesters dem, all of them come run for their lives. For inside Oyo State, Ibadan, they don't come out to come talk, say they not follow for tribalism because the hunger and suffering not know any tribal at all. As they come join body for on top the nationwide protest, come they sing, say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu na thief, wey for Yoruba language na ole. And also another set of protesters that also come gather for Iwo Road for inside Ibadan, come they do their own peaceful protest. For inside Abuja, one nursing mother wey carry her pikin for hand don come dey provoke after we call about police people. They come dey fire tear gas for peaceful protesters them just to pursue them comot for where they dey. As the woman come dey provoke, dey talk say whether he call about police wan fight them, say why they go dey fire tear gas to peaceful protesters them. Na him make them all of them come out say they no go gree. Say today they must do this and not gree protest. As later now they come see plenty crowd wey say they don burst. Come enter inside that Asokoro area for inside Abuja. As they come dey march, they go forward. Say this kind of protest, they no go gree. They must see the end of today's protest.
Why? This gas is for what? I'm from Taraba State. Imagine. My husband is from Katsina. All of us we are sitting.
Right now, there is a show of force from the men of the armed forces, as you can see. They are shooting at the protesters. They are throwing all kinds of tear gas.
One man wey follow join body for the end bad government inaugural protest for inside Bayelsa State, e don come show as area boys that they use bottle they burst in head. They will say that they do the hunger protest peacefully, and the Milan boys them come scatter all the protests we say that they do. We make everybody come to Tuama. They run for their lives.
For Nigeria, we are the benefit and it's that they my own boys come bust my head. No one make everybody see my blood don't stay for Nigeria head though.
Now be small confusion don come happen as some people wey say they organize to come do no protest against the end bad government nationwide protest. As they come dey cry, they tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say hunger wan fight them and price of food don go high well. Now so one other one come provoke for the one wey dey talk like that. Say whether he no know wetin dey talk. Say because not be wetin he suppose talk or wetin they plan when he suppose talk. Now he come dey yarn.
Before 100 naira you will drink garri and do what you want to do. So now we are coming to make him to know that things are very hard with us. Let him consider us.
Thank you. So we're also
How we go take survive for this Nigeria? Hey, work no day, money no day, everything is hard. See common garri now, one cup of garri now is 200 naira. See, I beg, make na help us for this Nigeria. Yeah, you just did it.
Oh my, just a video music, give me 200.
Baba Tinubu, I beg, help us. Jagabam.
Plenty protesters them for inside Kano don come dey vex as they come enter inside the Kano government house as to show their anger because of the way we say bad government don come carry everywhere for inside Nigeria because of hunger and also hardship wey dey happen as all of them come dey provoke for front of the government house. But later na so some omilators dem don come hijack the Kano state protest. They come dey scatter the NCC building wey say they don build ready to commission as they come tiftalize everything wey dey for inside the buildings them. As some talks, they can also come enter inside the government house, can also come burn all the cars them with they for inside there. For on top of this video also, where they can see one other man for inside Kano State. We say go climb traffic light, can they use something, they scatter all the traffic light them. Say because in they provoke because of the way we hardship and suffering where they happen for inside Kano State. Plenty northern women they don't come gather as they come they provoke, come they yarn their mind on top the end bad government nationwide protest. Say because the economy bad well and things don't dey very high. Even the cost of living now don't dey very high for them, and they not fit buy anything. They shop like before. This man don't come follow take join the protest as he come out to come the yarn why he join the protest. He come the talk say the suffering don't too much. See even come on Gary wey say people not even agree the chop before. Say now Gary don't even cost well and they not even use their own money to buy them. And even some of their wives them don't even to run leave them. We say because they not fit feed them well. And for inside Kaduna State, now this man come out come the yarn the mind.
So that we are hungry. Gary, when we say we know they eat before, Gary now is 1,000 plus. We are buying fuel almost 815 naira. So the sufferness is too much. Most of our wives now they are running away because the sufferness is too much for them. So
small protests where we say other states they come out to come they yarn their mind. And I reach Edo people their tongue, and so they come turn them to carnival concert. As all of them come they enjoy themselves. They play music, come they dance because of the hardship and bad economy where they happen for inside Nigeria. Katsina State youth they don't come out to come talk or say they no go sit down for house so they watch other states then they come they do the inaugural protest. Say then themselves they go must still join body for on top this end bad government protest as of children they also come join them, make all of them come fall out to come enter inside street to do their own protest peacefully. For Gombe State, plenty peaceful protesters them also don't come out to come stand along the government house road to do their own inaugural protest to end bad government and also hardship where they happen for inside Nigeria. And now today, August 1st, 2024, now all of them come gather to do this inaugural protest. The Rivers State people therefore inside Port Harcourt to not come march along that Aba road to come enter inside government house peacefully to go meet the governor of Rivers State will be seen for Bara. As the governor of Rivers State, he come they address them, saying thank them well as they take the very peaceful for this inaugural protest. Also come young with them as he come address them well.
I'm thanking you because you're peaceful. That is the first thing. You're here because you want a better Nigeria, is it not? But like I said yesterday, I am one of you. I feel your pain.
For inside Bauchi State, a Calabar police don't come use tear gas. They pursue all the end bad government protesters them take come out for road. We say that they do their peaceful protest. Today we say they do them on August 1st, 2024. Now so your baby people they don't come out to come talk say they don't say other states they don't do this inaugural protest, and if they not follow that means say now they carry last. Now so plenty crowd to come out to come block road. As all of them come they shout to say hunger too much for this Nigeria. Make President Bola Ahmed Tinubu make him do something. If not, this inaugural protest of end bad government, they will continue to do more until we President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will come out to come answer them.
Oh, wait, look at that people. When I'm at Now Bishop News O'Clock, my name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.